Here is a 2004 McCormick MTX120. This tractor has hydraulic flow control, a block heater, and front fenders. The front tires are Goodyear 14.9 R28. The rear tires are Goodyear 18.4 R38. The interior is in good condition. This MTX120 has 16 forward speeds, 12 reverse speeds, a differential lock, and partial power shift. There are 100 working hours on this tractor. This tractor has a 3-point hitch. There are 3 remotes and a 540 and 1000 PTO. You can find this tractor at your Titan Outlet store, 877-866-7010 or TitanOutletStore.com.